What causes legal battles in esports player departures? Imagine being part of a team you love, then suddenly facing a legal fight just to leave. That's what can happen in the world of esports when players try to switch teams or end their contracts. Let's break down what causes these disputes. Most legal battles start because of unclear or unfair contract terms. Esports contracts can last several years, sometimes up to 3 or 5. If the contract doesn't clearly say how a player can leave or has heavy penalties for leaving early, players can feel trapped. Teams might demand large payments if a player leaves before the contract ends, which can lead to court cases. Another common issue is confidentiality clauses. These are parts of the contract that stop players from talking about what's inside the agreement. If a player wants to explain why they're leaving or share their side of the story, they might be blocked. This can make disputes more intense because players feel they can't speak freely. Revenue sharing and branding rights also cause disagreements. Many contracts give teams control over a player's earnings from sponsorships, streaming, or appearances. If a player feels the team is taking too much of their income or isn't allowing them to grow their personal brand, they might challenge the contract legally. Young players are often involved in these fights too. Many esports players are teenagers or in their early 20s. They might sign contracts without fully understanding what they're agreeing to. Later, they realize the long-term effects and want out, which can lead to legal issues. The international aspect of esports adds another layer of complexity. Contracts often involve parties from different countries, each with their own laws. This can cause confusion about which legal system applies or where a dispute should be settled. Sometimes, teams and players can't agree on jurisdiction, making legal battles even harder to resolve quickly. In short, legal fights happen because of vague or unfair contract terms, confidentiality clauses, disputes over earnings and branding, young players signing without full knowledge, and the international nature of esports. All these factors can make it tough for players to leave teams peacefully, leading to legal action.